Hey guys, so this is Shabir Khan, and in this video, I'm going to do a quick review of Traffic Nemesis and how powerful this training is. So first of all, before I get started, I would like to let you know that the cost of this training that I'm about to show you is only $13. I repeat, it only costs $13. Okay. Now, now let's see the value it has in it. So I'll just take this a bit up and let's see. So first of all, this training contains Traffic Nemesis overview, why Facebook, the three pillars of traffic, pages, groups part B, group SEO, dangle the carrot method, how to make money from niche groups, the segment method, 10x your organic presence, adding emojis in title and standing out, how to drive traffic to your group ethically, how to revive dead groups, final pillar summary. Now, the next step is the bonuses. So let's see what we have in the bonuses here. The bonus video one, how to offer own group doctor service, how to group hack your competitors. Now, this case studies is only available for a limited time, and this is extremely powerful, guys. Let me show you. So if I go to the case study one, how AI Cheeseman generated 1.5K in a week using his profile. Now, this is the most powerful video in this particular training. Now, if I quickly show you some of the insider stuff.
What's up everyone, it's Al Cheeseman here, and in just a second I'm going to show you.
So this is AI Cheeseman who's about to show his real-time income.
Exactly how I made $1,500 this week off Facebook, completely free. No paid ads, anything like that, just 100% free traffic. I got over 130 subscribers and over $1,500 in sales, all off Facebook. So let's dive in and you can quickly see the proof, and then I'll get to the next part where I show you exactly how I did it. I'm not going to leave anything out. I'm going to show you exactly how I did it. So as you can see,
so basically, if you see here, guys, he has made $1,648 all
my affiliate sales,
all from free traffic.
1,430 this week. I've also got some vendor sales in there too, but I've done $1,430 this week purely off Facebook. I hopped on this week on Facebook because I wanted to create a solid case study to show you exactly how it could be done. So I decided to stop promoting anything else and just dive in straight on Facebook all of this week. And my results, as you can see.
So that said, he made $1,648 just this week by using Facebook only. This is the most powerful case study you can ever get. This is a real-time course, guys. This is not a rehashed course. This is a big marketer, AI Cheeseman. He's a seasoned marketer, and he knows what he's talking. That said, there's another case study from Osmaan Murabi, who earns $100 a day with free organic traffic using Emojis. So these are two powerful case studies, and this will go off after this launch period. So the faster you get access to this particular training, you would be able to get access to these case studies. And AI has actually gone in detail on how exactly he made this amount only from free traffic. Now that said, apart from this, you're also going to learn in section B how you can actually capitalize and with your Facebook, how you can actually optimize your Facebook account with different features, and how you can attract more people using your profile picture, your cover photo, your bio, and your featured photos. Then apart from that, you will also get to learn you will get to learn the introduction of posts, what should be the post frequency, how you can what is the best time of the day to post, how you can get traffic from lifestyle posts, traffic from question posts, traffic from motivation posts, everything, how you can monetize your every action on Facebook basically. That said, messenger traffic secrets, you will get to know the seduction secrets on how you can attract people via messenger, and without even being obvious that you're marketing. That said, this is the most amazing module that you're going to get access to in section E, where how you can monetize your Facebook stories, and how you can get traffic from Facebook stories, and how to generate $100 a day with stories, and how to post stories on Instagram and 10x your traffic. Apart from that, you will also get access to the traffic domination group. Now, this is crazy, guys. This all is available only for $13. Okay, so you don't have to invest any kind of money. As long so this all comes in the front end. So as long as you quickly get access to this particular training for $13, you will get access to all of this stuff. So if just click the button below this video, you need to click the button below this video and simply buy this front end for $13, and you will get access to all of this stuff, including the case studies. Please note this particular offer is going to expire uh, in 48 hours from the time you are seeing this video. If you see a timer somewhere, if the timer expires, this particular offer expires. So this is something powerful. I don't promote every product. I only promote high quality products, and this is one of the most high quality product you can ever you can get your hands on right now. That said, guys, thanks for watching this video, and thank you for watching this video. Take care. Bye bye. This is Shabir Khan, your success coach.